Real estate is an amazing career, and selling real estate can be very fulfilling. But you need to make sure you don't take any shortcuts with your safety. That's why we created the course Safety by Choice, Not by Chance. I'm Bill Kennedy, a former police officer and police trainer, and I love to teach this class. By taking Safety by Choice, Not by Chance, you are learning simple safety principles so that when you show houses, you hold open houses, or just simply meet clients, you can use these principles to ensure that you have as safe an experience as possible. I'll even throw in bonus material and show you how to use things like pepper spray and stun guns. So take Safety by Choice, Not by Chance. I'd love to see you in class and have a safe career.